Introducing Yamaha's latest adventure-seeking side-by-side. The all-new 2019 Wolverine X2. Purpose-built for exploring tight technical terrain, the Wolverine X2 offers unmatched off-road capability with ultimate comfort. With an all-new compact and nimble chassis, an ultra-quiet, powerful, and smooth 847cc twin-cylinder engine, and next-level versatility with a 600-pound dumping cargo bed. To help you realize your adventure even further, the Wolverine X2 comes pre-wired to integrate the new Yamaha Adventure Pro GPS powered by Magellan. No other side-by-side delivers this level of proven off-road capability, comfort, and confidence-inspiring performance. The all-new Wolverine X2 from Yamaha